Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a stable base so your flower reads correctly. Open 3D Paint, set canvas to roughly 800 x 600, and enable a 0. 5 grid so parts align. Select a cylinder for the stem and a sphere for the bud. These primitives simplify proportion and deformation later. Once placed, use orthographic view to line them up and scale non-destructively, because accurate base proportions make later sculpting and color work predictable and faster. Now you sculpt petals and assemble the bloom. Create one petal by flattening and extruding a small cylinder, then refine shape with scale and gentle bevels so edges read as thin. Once done, duplicate the petal and rotate copies around the bud in 15 degrees 30 degrees steps, which keeps symmetry without being perfectly mechanical. Make sure to slightly vary scale and rotation for naturalism, then use low opacity smoothing to soften seams, because blended joins catch light better and prevent polygonal artifacts. To finish, you paint and light the flower so form reads clearly. Begin with base colors and add subtle ambient occlusion strokes in creases to create depth. This simulates shadow without heavy geometry. Place a key light at about 45 degrees and a softer fill opposite to reveal petal curvature. Once satisfied, export a PNG with alpha for compositing and save the project file for iterative edits. If petals look faceted, increase mesh smoothing or subdivide locally to remove hard edges.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.